Perhaps one thing that's missing in the Perplexity user interface is there is no table of content whatsoever. So I have this very long thread and there are many topics that I asked to Perplexity, and if I want to jump to that topic, I have to manually find it by just scrolling and trying to find the one that I'm looking for, which is not the most reliable way to get something quickly. So this is very annoying because at the same time, we have a proper table of content on Perplexity pages, but not on Perplexity thread. So how do we fix this problem? Well, fortunately, there are some Chrome extensions that you can try to add some table of content into Perplexity thread. So the first extension that you can try is called Perplexity TOC, or Table of Content. So this is quite a simple Chrome extension that will add this table of content on the right side of the screen. And this extension is still very new. Yeah, as you can see, there is only 24 users at the moment, but it is quite simple and you can actually hide and unhide it. And by the way, if you want to get this Chrome extension, I'll leave the link in the video description. Now, after install the Chrome extension, you can go back to the thread again. And let's refresh the page, and the table content should appear somewhere in here. There you go. So this is the content of this Perplexity thread. As you can see, I can easily jump to a specific section that I want to read further. So this is definitely much better than manually scrolling up or down this whole thread. But maybe the only downside from this extension is that the UI just not exactly resemble the style of Perplexity, so it's kind of out of place. Although I think for some people it's not really a problem, but if you want to get something that is at least close to the way the Perplexity table content is added in Perplexity pages, then you can use another option. But let me just remove this first. Okay, the next option that you can try is called Complexity. This is a very popular Chrome extension for Perplexity power users. And again, the link is available in the video description. So the setup process here is a bit more complicated than the previous extension because there are other things that you can do. And this extension has plenty of things, plenty of upgrades that maybe will make your Perplexity experience even better. Now, once the extension has been installed, you'll see this greeting message. Just click or skip and take me to the dashboard. Okay, now this is the dashboard. There are many features that you could enable, but the one that we want to enable for this particular case is table of contents. So just search table of contents. There you go, and enable it. And then you can go back to a Perplexity thread again. Let me just refresh the page. And it should appear in here, in this right area. There you go. So this is a lot cleaner, a lot closer to the Perplexity style, and it looks good. It works well. Maybe the only problem with this Chrome extension is that it's going to be changing the theme of Perplexity a bit. If you don't like it, you can always remove that by going to the themes menu and then unload this Complexity blue theme. And honestly, I'm not a fan of that. I'm just happy with whatever Perplexity is using at the moment. I think the UI color is fine. And yeah, I think this also looks great. So that's basically how you can add a table of content into a Perplexity thread. That's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.